So today I will be playing singing bowl with you, but then I won't be able to talk, so I won't be able to give you instructions while in meditation क्योंकि मैं ये earphones लगाऊंगी ना तो इसको मैं सिंगिंग बोल के आसपास रखने वाली हूँ तभी आपको अगर आवाज थोड़ी सी ना क्लैरिटी आएगी आवाज की अदरवाइज इफ आई जस्ट कीप इट एंड प्ले so you won't get the proper sound of the bowl. So if I keep it down, so I won't be able to talk to you. So I won't be talking during meditation. I will tell you a little bit about the singing bowl. So brief karungi main ki what is singing bowl, which most of us know. So in this today, the day of Purnima, very high energy day. तो हम ये अगर सिंगिंग बोल मेडिटेशन के साथ करते हैं, the sound of this bowl will affect, and along with the rays, it will affect our body, our every cell, and every whatever the 70% of the water content which is in our body, it will affect that. And along with the moon rays, हमको पता है पूर्णिमा वाले दिन जो है वैसे भी पानी पे इफेक्ट होता है पूर्णिमा का, तो और ऊपर से सिंगिंग बोल जब हम प्ले करेंगे उसके वाइब्रेशन से भी हमारे अंदर के वाटर कंटेंट में हाई एनर्जी डेवलप होती है, इतनी ज्यादा क्योंकि एवरी सेल वाइब्रेट्स विद ईच अदर सो मच दैट इट क्रिएट्स लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी. So along with this Purnima, along with this singing bowl, the energy will be very high. So when I will be playing it, you just have to focus on that sound, that vibrations which comes along with that sound which I will be playing. कभी आपको sound ठीक से सुनाई देगा, कभी नहीं. So it is a little tricky because मेरे पास mic वो नहीं है. क्या कहते हैं माइक होना चाहिए जिससे आपको साउंड बहुत क्लियरली आएगा, which I don't have. So I will try to give you the best sound and best energy. And singing bowl का जो हम थोड़ा बहुत जो बताऊंगी मैं कि what is singing bowl. It is a Tibetan singing bowl. If you can see here, it is there. It is made up of 7 metals. It's very special bowl, and it is made up of gold, silver, copper, tin, mercury, iron, and lead. And it gives unique frequency. जब ये सब metals के साथ अगर हम इसको play करेंगे तो इसकी जो frequency और जो vibrations आते हैं very unique है, जो हम normal bowl के साथ करेंगे तो नहीं आएंगे. जैसे I have this bowl also which is very small. It is made of only 3 metals. तो इसका जो sound आएगा which is a very different sound, and इसकी भी frequencies आती हैं but frequency will be not high as the frequency which you will be getting when I play this. I hope you are getting the sound. So vibrate होता रहता है बहुत देर तक, इसका जो vibrations है काफी देर तक होते रहेंगे, which you have to feel yourself when I will playing this. So the history of this singing bowl is that Buddhists have created this almost 3,000 to 6,000 years back, and ये कहते हैं इसको bell, they used to use as a bell but in the shape of a bowl, and they used to use this as a eating bowl also. But later on they realized that it is much better if they play it and make the sound, and they felt the difference in this energy levels, and that's where this invention of singing bowl has come into being. और ये कहते हैं जब ये बजाते हैं तो it creates a sound of ओम. तो ओम की जो ध्वनि में लास्ट में जो हमारा मकार आता है करके, तो जब ये प्ले करते हैं तो उसमें ये मकार की साउंड आती है जो ब्रह्मांड की साउंड है. And our Brahman has been came into being with the sound only. जो हमारा यूनिवर्स का क्रिएशन हुआ है, it came with the sound and with the sound of this मकार. तो ये मकार जो है ये हम सिंगिंग बोल से क्रिएट करते हैं. तो इसके फायदे बहुत हैं. The sound vibrations affect our chakras directly. The moment I play this, you will feel that, and you just have to completely focus on the sound and the vibrations and the chakras. Every chakras you have to feel that it's going upward with every sound, and it heals our body and corrects the ailments of our body. It affects our nervous system a lot with the sound. The singing bowl creates healing effect on our nervous system. And it's a continuous communication. It gives it communicates continuously with the every cell of our body. And जैसे हम कहते हैं कि ये हमारे हार्मोनाइज करता है पूरे बॉडी को और एनर्जाइज करता है. नेगेटिव एनर्जी हमारी दूर हो जाती है इससे. अगर हम घर में प्ले करते हैं तो हमारे घर में बहुत पॉजिटिव एनर्जी रहती है विद दिस साउंड. इवन घर के आसपास भी अराउंड आवर हाउस आल्सो दे ऑरा क्रिएट्स एंड दैट एनर्जी इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. पर्यावरण को, एनवायरनमेंट को शुद्ध करता है. और यस, and it balances our energy. That is, there are many actually, but I don't want to go into much detail because I want you to get the benefit of the sound and the energy more. So here I will start. So everyone take, we will not do pranayam directly. We will do this meditation today. I will close the window so that you can get a sound better. Yes, and I will now put this earphones. और सब लोग बिल्कुल आंखें बंद करके जैसे हमारे मेडिटेटिव पोज में बैठ जाइए. मेरे इंस्ट्रक्शंस आपको सुनाई नहीं देंगे, आपको सिर्फ आवाज सुनाई देगी. अगर लाइट बंद कर सकते हो, खिड़कियां बंद कर दीजिए, दरवाजे बंद कर दीजिए, सो दैट नो अदर साउंड शुड अफेक्ट यू एंड डिस्टर्ब यू. So now I am going to start this. Everyone, just sit with your eyes closed. Don't open your eyes. these vibrations. Feel the silence. Let every cell of yours vibrate, full of energy. Everyone, stay in the attitude of gratitude. सबसे पहले हम आत्म नमन करेंगे महापौर बाबा जी, आदि योगी शिव, महर्षि पतंजलि, महर्षि पत्री जी, सारे गुरुजन, सारे देवी देवता, सभी ब्रह्मांड, ये सभी प्लैनेट्स, स्टार्स, सभी आसपास वालों का हम धन्यवाद करेंगे, हमारे सगे संबंधियों का, आस पड़ोस वालों का। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। Now we will say our positive affirmations. I am healthy. I am happy. I am satisfied and contented. I am full of life, full of love for myself and for others around me. Thank you, God, for whatever you have given me, also for whatever you have not given me. With this complete sense of gratitude, gently keep your palms on your eyes and slowly open your eyes.
Thank you, Archana. Thanks a
Yeah,
lot.
I hope you were able to listen to the sounds. Was it
Yes.
audible?
बहुत
clear?
अच्छे से,
Yes, Archana.
very
Thank you,
clear.
Archana.
Thank you, Archana.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Archana.
छान
Bye.
वाटलं मस्त